My name is Daniel Drane, and I'm the Executive Director for the Wolin Family Center for Intellectual Property and the Center for Law, Science, and Innovation. And today I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 things lawyers should know about AI. So the first thing a lawyer should know about AI, and the most important, is that you are completely responsible for any of the AI outputs that you submit to courts or to your clients. Courts do not hold AI responsible for errors, fake citations, or hallucinations. And some lawyers and judges have gotten themselves into a little bit of a corner and ended up with some eye-catching sanctions. And if they haven't gotten some eye-catching sanctions, I predict that we're going to see a lot more of the big sanctions in the future as courts try to really rein in the hallucinations that they're getting within their documents. And you can't turn around and blame clerks or interns or first-year attorneys. It's really you that's held accountable. The second thing a lawyer should really know about AI is that confidentiality still applies. Putting client data into AI tools without understanding the data privacy policy or retention policies is really irresponsible and can really lead to negative outcomes. It could be the equivalent to discussing major murder details in an airport lounge. You never know who's able to access that data unless you know that it's in a sandbox or in a protected place. And so really being cognizant of what you're inputting into these tools is going to be really important for you as you move forward. The third thing a lawyer should know is the billable hour is really being rewritten in real time in most cases. If AI can draft something in 2 minutes, clients are starting to question why they're being charged 8, 9, 10 hours for the same amount of work. And so we're starting to see more flat fees pop up. We're starting to see people asking for more transparency around what that work hour entails. And there's actually a question out there right now on whether not using AI is kind of an ethical violation as a lawyer. And so really understanding that things are changing quickly and being willing to move and be flexible is going to be really helpful as you move forward. The fourth thing is AI literacy is career leverage. Just as e-discovery created new leaders in firms, so is AI governance. We're seeing those that are currently in law firms or new grads really being able to leverage their AI literacy to be added to committees, to move quickly through maybe those partner ranks because this is a new skill set that not very many people have. And so the more knowledge that you're able to add to your firm or your company or your business, the better. Number 5 is that old tech training paradigm is not going to be relevant anymore. You used to be able to go once a year and really just sit for a day and learn new Westlaw or Lexis items that were coming out. But tech is moving too quickly. And so really being able to change the way you learn and change the way you train is going to be really important. You're going to need more frequent, quick trainings to really keep up to date with everything that's going on because things don't change yearly or monthly anymore. They change weekly and sometimes hourly as these new tools develop. So that concludes the top 5 things a lawyer needs to know about AI. But just to kind of wrap it all together at the end is AI is now a part of the legal framework that we're all operating in. So as you move forward, really leaning into AI, leaning into those trainings, becoming AI literate is going to be really imperative.